This might be Toyota's most important SUV in years. And surprisingly, it's not about luxury or performance, because the new urban cruiser EV is designed to answer one question most buyers still have. Can an electric SUV really replace petrol for everyday Indian driving? Toyota isn't chasing extreme performance numbers here. The biggest strength of the urban cruiser EV is trust. Buyers already associate Toyota with reliability, low maintenance, and long-term ownership peace. Now the brand is trying to transfer that same confidence into electric mobility, and that alone makes this SUV extremely important. Visually, the urban cruiser EV feels modern but safe in its styling. The front design carries a clean EV identity with sharp lighting elements, while the rear looks wide and stable, giving it a planted road presence. The overall character feels practical rather than flashy, which fits perfectly with Toyota's mass-market philosophy. Under the skin, this electric SUV is expected to offer multiple battery and drivetrain options, possibly including front-wheel drive and all-wheel drive layouts. Toyota is clearly targeting both city users and highway travelers. Acceleration is expected to feel smooth and instant, something EV buyers quickly appreciate in daily traffic. Range is where this SUV becomes genuinely interesting. Reports suggest battery options that could deliver approximately 400 to 550 kilometers per charge, depending on the variant. Fast charging capability is expected to recover a large portion of battery in under an hour, making long trips far more practical than older EV generations. Step inside, and the focus shifts toward usability. Expect a modern touchscreen interface, connected car technology, wireless smartphone integration, and over-the-air updates. The cabin is likely to focus on space efficiency, soft-touch materials, and comfortable seating designed for long Indian commutes. Safety is expected to remain a major highlight. Toyota is likely to include multiple airbags, strong structural safety engineering, electronic stability systems, and advanced driver assistance features. For many family buyers, this could become a key decision factor. However, the urban cruiser EV enters one of the toughest markets. It will face competition from vehicles like the Hyundai Creta Electric, Tata Curvy EV, and MG ZS EV. Pricing will play a crucial role, with expectations placing it roughly between 18 lakh rupees and 25 lakh rupees, depending on the variant and battery size. In real-world ownership, charging convenience will decide success. Toyota is expected to support fast-charging compatibility and expanding charging partnerships, which could reduce EV anxiety for new buyers. Lower running costs and reduced maintenance may further strengthen its long-term value. The urban cruiser EV is not trying to be the loudest or the most futuristic electric SUV. Instead, it is trying to become the most dependable, and that could quietly make it one of the most important EV launches for India's future mobility shift. This is TurboXcel. If this SUV had to replace your petrol car tomorrow, would you trust it? Like, share, subscribe, and tell us which EV we should review next.